People used to say that crypto was simply too risky. It was all about hype, memes, and was simply speculation. But the reality is that billions of dollars are being moved through crypto every single day. And what's even crazier is that certain projects have the potential to provide so much more for our everyday lives. Welcome to the channel. My name is Spencer, and I talk all about investing, typically through ETFs. But in this video, we're breaking down some crypto ETPs, something a little bit different that I think investors should definitely know about. Let's get into it. Let's start with what crypto was supposed to be. It was going to be a peer-to-peer digital cash. That was the original vision behind Bitcoin itself. But over time, Bitcoin became more of a store of value and less of something that people would actually spend. And this is where Dogecoin gets interesting. Now think about sending money across the globe. Traditional systems are slow, expensive, and filled with middlemen. Crypto changes that by allowing you to send money globally in minutes, sometimes even seconds. And again, Dogecoin stands out here because the fees are low, it actually makes sense for smaller transfers, and if you had to send money to someone in another country today, some users view it as a potentially faster and lower cost alternative in certain specific situations. Not everyone will use Dogecoin as a general buy and hold asset like Bitcoin. After all, it supplies many other uses as well. We are looking at TDOG, the 21 shares Dogecoin ETF. And you can see this is one of the easiest ways to get exposure to cryptocurrencies while staying in your native brokerage account. And that's what I absolutely love. As someone who has a lot of different accounts and a lot of different investments, having them all under one roof is absolutely amazing. And until recently, we weren't really able to do this. Cryptocurrency ETPs have definitely come a long way in the last couple of years, from Dogecoin, from XRP, from Ethereum, and of course from Bitcoin itself. And 21 Shares has a lot of these different ETPs that you can use to get different exposure to these different crypto assets. I want to take a moment and thank 21 Shares and House of Doge for sponsoring the channel, giving me some support in learning about these ETPs, how they work, and how we as everyday retail investors can utilize them. But there's more to touch on when it comes to Dogecoin. So we need to be realistic here. Most crypto activity today is still driven by speculation. People are trading, chasing gains, and trying to time the market. But underneath all of that, real use cases are continually being built. And Dogecoin sits in this strange middle ground where it started as a meme, but is now something people actually use. And if you zoom out, crypto isn't just about payments. There's so much more to it. It's about having an alternative system. We probably need this now more than ever. It operates independently of traditional banking systems and is accessible 24/7, which a couple of years ago, this was absolutely unheard of. In some parts of the world, that's not just convenient, it's necessary. So whether you're looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, XRP, the ability to opt out of the traditional systems is very, very powerful and definitely freeing. Now, we still have to address the risks. It's very important that you understand the risks of cryptocurrency investing. Crypto is volatile. It's very, very different than what a lot of older style investors are used to. But that doesn't mean it doesn't have a use case for everybody. And I'm curious to see how the use cases of things like Dogecoin continue to expand over time. As always, this video is not financial advice, but I appreciate you guys watching. If you're interested in more content, don't forget to check out my page and to like and subscribe. And again, thank you to House of Doge and 21 Shares for the sponsorship.